SACC is a Fairfax County before and after school program that services kindergarten through 6th grade students. SACC follows a 3-year process of programming curriculum. We start with culture, natural world, and then into technology and arts. This is one part of that curriculum that we follow. Along with that, we do a lot of large event activities for the families in the communities, but we also do a lot of in-room based programming that are hands-on experiential type learning. They're working on a project today. It's a cardboard boat that they're going to use to compete in the annual cardboard boat regatta race that's being held through the Springfield Days event at Lake Accotink. We actually took this project to do our in-depth learning process. We actually have builders that are our architects. We have our designers that help with the painting and the coloring and the designing of the boat. And then we also have the racers who are actually going to show up and do the race itself. The theme this year that we're doing is Fun, Fabulous Food. All the centers are representing different styles of food along a multiculturalism line. We chose to do pizza because that's what these kids here love.
We came up with a pizza box. We each did many parts, such as back there you can see the hat, the people making hats, and the people making the designs. There's going to be 7 people inside this boat. We're probably going to have at least 4 paddles, and we're going to go through 3 rounds in the race.
The kids are pretty confident. We've only had 2 boats sink in the 8 years that we've been competing at Kings Glen. And so I think they're looking forward to being successful this weekend at the race.
I'd like to say that we've been working great together. We've put a lot of effort in this, and I'm really hoping that on Sunday that we are going to win this race.